Okay, so we've got the insulated panel on the framing, and you'll see little bits of silver brace hanging around. This is strap bracing or hoop iron. This is designed to wrap around the bottom of the stud, that very bottom one there, and then wrap up the verticals. My joist spacing, my stud spacing here is 450 centers. I like to overdo things, so I've definitely used more timber in these walls than I need to. But that's my personal preference for me, really. There's also tie-down rods that run all the way through, cyclone rods that run down all the way through the frame as well, that are tied in. And all of this is supported by these huge 90 by 90 by 4 mil wall steel posts that run right up through, and they were down into 1500 mil footings. So there's 8 of those posts total that are the main core of this whole structure. That's what's holding it all together. But these upper walls are still bracing walls, and they're still bracing ply, and there's still more strap and rods to go in yet. There's lots of steel still to go, and more roof sheets to go on yet, and a couple of verandas top and bottom here.